Alright, time to record myself another video. What is this? What? Who is in my stuff? Who? What is it anyway? What?
Hey Puddins. So, I guess you all heard there's a new Suicide Squad movie coming out, and I'm just tickled pink to see it. See, since I am Harvey Quinn, it's my obligation and duty to show up at the premiere day. At least close enough. Don't worry, Bat stays at home. I'll follow the rules. Miss J told me I had to, or else I couldn't see the feature. No fun, but I guess that's how Miss J likes to play it. Don't worry, I'm sure I'll be having plenty of laughs. And I promise to keep you all updated with the how-to on how to look like me. And I'll take you along with me for the day, so we can spend so much more time together. So from Harvey Quinn to you, bye-bye corner people.
Well, that would explain the random bat in my room. And the mess in my bathroom. Stupid damn clowns getting in my stuff.
What is this doing on? What? They don't even turn off my equipment?